All right, we are still treating pure vowels, and we are in vowel number 2, which is E sound. You know the other one that carries colon is E. This one is E, as you see the sound here. E sound. E sound. That's just the sound. So these are the varieties of spellings that we find under the short E, E sound. Biscuits, not biscuits. The UI here is just E, biscuits, biscuits. Then that's that. Guilt, guilt, not guilt. So nothing like build, is build. You build a house, all right? Build. Then guitar, all right? You have guitar. The same thing, short E. Then guinea, all right? And of course, you can have guild, all right? That's what you find there. Then we have another variety here, which is U, pronounced as what? E. Look at the first word there. You can't say I am busy today. It means the U there changes to E, short one. Busy. So you have a case of busy. Then business. Business. That means although it is U, all right, it sounds E. Business. Then minutes, all right? You don't say minutes, it's minutes. So the U there is E sound. That's what we are trying to say here. Then we have normal E, normal I, that is still what? Transcribed normally, okay, as I. That's in the real sense is E. So we have heat, it's still the same thing, all right, that you have here. Heat, this one is quite easy, right? Yeah, because it's the real child of this. Then we have peak. Then we have sick. Then what about E sound or E letter that receives the E sound here? That's normal letter E that receives this vowel number 2 sound. Decide. Decide. That means if you are transcribing decide, E. Then example, all right? I gave you examine, all right? So that's then example 2, all right? Then we have Y. Even before now, I earlier told you that any word that has Y at the end changes to E sound, all right? So like the word berry, see this word, berry, okay? Yes, you have this. If you want to transcribe now, you have something like this because the Y changes to E sound. That's the transcription. So you have PT, syrup, all right? CT, then etc. there. You see this another variety here, which is A sound. Here it is vantage, not vantage, vantage. All right. Then the A here in private, nothing like private school, it's private. It's my private life, not private, private life. All right. You see the A there in village. There is nothing like village, it's village. All right. Village. So that is why it is like that, village. And nothing like courage, it's courage, courage. So the A here receives E sound. Then mortgage, all right? Mortgage, all right? Mortgage, all right? So that's what you also find there. Then what about this? Any word that ends in AY, like days of the week and normal days. There is nothing like Sunday. It's Sunday. Sunday, all right? Today is Sunday, all right? Monday, Saturday, yesterday, all right? Today, that one takes a different dimension, but Monday, take note, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday, that's how it is pronounced, all right? Then, nothing like women. This is another dimension of spelling, E. It is women, women, not women, all right? So by transcription now, you have women like this. Not women, it's women. Women are good, all right? So that's that for vowel 2. So that in our next class, we look at vowel 3, which is E sound.